Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to manually update everything in regards to your Nintendo Switch 2. Your software, your apps, your controllers, and also the hardware itself. So to start out with, let's update our apps, or at least make sure they're up to date. So on your controller, press the plus or the minus symbol to bring up the extra settings menu for your game. And here you can do a couple of things like delete the software off your system, transfer the data to a nearby system, or you can check for a software update right here. And you have two options. The option I prefer is check via the internet, but you can also match the version with local versions so that you have the same version of software in the event that somebody else is playing a different version than you. I'm good with just using the internet, but you have the option if you need it. So that's the software on your Switch up to date. Now we need to make sure our controllers are up to date. So to do that, pop over to the System Settings Gear button and give that a click. And then scroll down till you find the Controllers and Accessories tab. And here around the middle is the Update Controllers button. Now it's worth mentioning that this will update all of your peripherals that are currently connected to your Nintendo Switch 2. That'll be your Joy-Cons, your Pro Controller, and also the Joy-Cons from the original Switch 1 and your original Pro Controller from the previous system. So give that a press, it'll scan them real quick to make sure all the versions match up, and if it's missing anything, it'll automatically download it and update it right there. Next, we want to make sure the Switch itself is up to date, so we're going to scroll all the way down in the left-hand sidebar to the very bottom under System. And then inside of here, we want to make sure that the system update here at the top has been pressed and let it check for any new system updates. Nothing's pending, but if it was, it would download it, install it, and then restart your Switch automatically. After that, there is the dock update. Yes, the dock for the Switch itself also has a software update it needs to do occasionally. And here you can just check right now to see if it's up to date, and same deal. If it's not, it'll automatically download, install, and restart your dock. And then that's it. Now your entire Switch and all the stuff on it is completely up to date. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.